Heat is a type of energy that is transferred from one object to another due to a difference in temperature. Whenever two objects are at different temperatures and they are in contact with each other, heat will flow from the hotter object to the cooler object. This is known as thermal energy transfer, and it is a fundamental concept in the study of thermodynamics. Heat can be introduced into a system in a number of ways. One of the most common ways is through conduction, which occurs when two objects are in direct contact with each other. The heat energy flows from the hotter object to the cooler object, through the molecular collisions between the atoms and molecules of the two objects. For example, when you place a metal spoon in a cup of hot coffee, heat is transferred from the coffee to the spoon through conduction. Another way that heat can be introduced into a system is through convection. This occurs when heat is transferred through the movement of a fluid, such as a gas or a liquid. Finally, heat can also be introduced into a system through radiation. This occurs when heat is transferred through electromagnetic waves, such as light or infrared radiation. For example, when you stand in front of a fire, the heat that you feel is being transferred to your body through radiation. For example, when you turn on a heater in a room, the hot air rises and the cooler air sinks, creating a convection current that transfers heat throughout the room. Understanding the different ways that heat can be introduced into a system is important in many areas of science and engineering, from designing efficient engines to studying the effects of climate change. By studying heat transfer, we can better understand how energy is transferred between objects and how to harness that energy for practical purposes. Thank you friends for watching this. If you notes on this topic I will provide link in description. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for better motivate to me.